In this challenge, you have to develop a menu-driven program for performing arithmetic operations. So the task is simple, but actually this is a commonly used thing in programming. Most of the times we have multiple options in an application, so options are executed using switch case. So depending on the option selected, that particular switch case is executed. So this is the most commonly used code. As I said that switch case is commonly used, so mostly it is useful for menu driven programming. So later you will be seeing this. I will explain you what is the program that you have to write. Okay, so you have to write on the program. Later on I will show you the code also. So let me explain. See, you have to first of all prepare a menu. Okay, and the menu should display options: add, subtract, multiply, and divide, all in capital letters. Okay, then your program should say enter two numbers. Enter two numbers. Then after you have entered two numbers, let us say 10 and 5, you have given two numbers. Then it should ask enter your option. Enter an option, what you want to do. Enter option in words, right? So you have to take this option in words. Like suppose you want to add two numbers, then input must be ADD. Even I can give numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, and I take an option number also, but I just want to use a string as a switch case, as a part of switch case. So take a string, option in word, right? So take ADD. Then based on the option selected, you have to write down switch case and perform a following operation. Suppose the option, you are going to take this in a variable called option, string variable called option. Then if case is add, then perform addition and display the result of addition, and then use break. Then case 2, if it is subtract, right, then perform subtract operation and then break. That's it. So I guess you have understood this. This is a simple program that you have to write. But I want you to experience this. So write down the program. So this is useful later on. Now one important thing. You will face one problem here when you complete the program and execute it. What is the problem? Can you guess? Yes. See, when you are entering two numbers, after entering the second number, first number you will hit enter, second number also you will hit enter. And when you are reading this option using next line, then the enter key given by this will stay inside keyboard buffer, and that will be taken by this method, next line method. So it will not be reading an option in words. If you are reading any integer value before a string, then this problem arises, right? You know this one. So what you can do, there are different options. So one of the option is you write next line 2 times. Before reading the option itself, you can write next line. Then again, second time you write next line so that you can read an option for this one. So option should be taken in this one. Okay. To avoid the end of line buffer problem that will stay inside the buffer, so you can clear the buffer by taking next line. That's it. So now pause the video and write on the program by yourself. I have given you the skeleton. So write on the program. If you want help, you can continue watching the video. I will be showing the program. I have kept the part of code ready. See, I have taken a menu, I'm displaying a menu and then some underlining, then add, subtract, multiply, divide. So I said that it should be in caps. So okay, I will also make it in capped. Everything is in cap. Subtract and multiply. Okay, then div. So these are the options. Then enter two numbers. I am taking them by next int two numbers. Then I am reading a word, that is I'm taking an option in words. So this string I will give the name as option. Till here I will run and show you and see whether it will read this option or not. Enter two numbers. I'll give first number as 10 and the second number as 5. Just it has given a message enter option in words, but it is not reading it because the enter key that I have given after second number 5 is taken by this one. So I can avoid it or I can remove it by just calling next line here, which doesn't do anything. Now second line it will take it. Let me run and show you. See, first number is 10, second number is 5, then it is waiting for the option, so I will say add. Now you should perform the operations. So here I should write on switch case. So I will start here, switch option. Then first case is add. I'm assuming that it is given in capital letters. If you think it may or it may not be given, then you can convert a string into uppercase and then check it. So before performing switch, here you can check convert a string into uppercase. Okay, so that will be more safer. So I can select this option, assign option dot to uppercase. So it will be converted into uppercase. Now definitely it is in uppercase, right? So here I will directly print the result, system.out.println, instead of adding and then showing it. So I will say sum is, then after this concatenate, then I have to add two numbers, x plus y. Don't do this mistake. You must enclose it in brackets, right? You should know this one, otherwise it will be just concatenation. It will not be adding them. It will concatenate the value of x and y beside that string. Then next, I should copy it and paste the code for rest of the options. So I will do it. So here I have completed the code, switch case based on the option, and the options are add, subtract, multiply and divide, and also I have written default. If add is given, then sum is x plus y. If subtraction is given, difference is x minus y. Then product, that is multiplication, product is there, then ratio, that is division, x by y. And finally, if it is default, in the default option is invalid. Let us run the program, enter two numbers 10 and 5, then the option is add. I got the result. Let us run once again, enter a number 20 and the next number is 5, and I want to divide, so div, so division is 4. Let us run once again. Now the number is 10 and the second number is 2, and I want to multiply, mull, multiply. Oh, invalid option. I gave it wrong. I should have given mul. So yes, default is also getting executed. That's it. So this is the program. So if you have not written it, just you can copy it. Watch this video. You can type simultaneously along with me. Okay, I have explained you this portion, so you can keep it ready. You can type it from here. Then the rest I have shown you the code here. So make sure you have written this program, practice the program if you are new to Java. That's all in this video.